Remember when we're doing the POS sale that the member, Stefan or Britt or whoever it is, was earning some points, and we saw it on the receipt that they were issued some points. So how do we set up these points rules? So let's go into our club again, our Kronos club. So here we have some action under club, other, that's called point setup. So here it is where we set up the loyalty points, or member points as we call it. And we have some rules. So let's look at the last line. And you noticed I put this full screen so we will see better about the information. We are now in Club Kronos, we only see rules for that club. And the last line is all items. We have a calculation rule, meaning that amount 1 will provide 1 point, 1 award point. But when we are selling something like a shipment charge, it's not really our item as a retailer, so then we can do a different rule. So you see this line here, that Kronos item, and this is actually the shipment charge item. You see, shipment charge. And we don't want to give points based on this shipment charge. So for each amount, we do 0 points. So later we will see custom orders and shipment, the shipment charge. So we are not allowing our members to earn points depending on the shipment charge. But then we could also continue and think, if you are a retailer that is in grocery or whatever it is, and also selling some fuel, then you could say, for that category, and we can do product group, category, special group, tender type, different lines here, that you need to have 10 in amount to get 1 point. So you can do rules, you can do the all item rules and then the exception rules. So that's how easy it is. This was the setup for the club. And it's as well possible to do a similar setup for these different schemes. So scheme bronze could have this rule, a scheme silver could have something else. So each and every amount would maybe do 1.5 point, or gold would have different. You can do that if you like. And you can even have different member points set up depending on different member accounts. So Stefan Thompson member account could have different rule than the others, meaning that if you have the king or the president, they could get more points. But then you have to think about how are you going to maintain it. Don't make your rules too difficult for maintenance, but the possibility is there.